Welcome to Haaland Challenges. We are halfway through and today's challenge does offer a leaderboard for the fastest time to 3 star. My method will give you some tips with this, but being a male style base, I will be excited to see how quickly players can beat this after today's challenge. You will have 18 stars. So this challenge showcases the yellow card spell. We will use one of those to each air defense, followed by the Barbarian King to the southeast gap, the P.E.K.K.A to the northwest gap, and a Lava Hound to this northeast Inferno Tower. Since the air defense are invisible, it will go that defense. When the king gets to the wizard tower, you can use his ability, and the faster you get this initial deployment, obviously the quicker you could get through this attack. We want the barbarian king to move to the air defense, and the P.E.K.K.A should also move to the air defense around about the same time up the top. If it does not and that air defense is still visible, you can always use a yellow card spell on it, because you want this lava hound to target the inferno tower after the king has taken down the air defense at the south. Basically, we want the barbarian king to go down because he has the phoenix attached, and the phoenix is an air based troop, so it can fly over the walls. It's not subject to walking around the maze like a P.E.K.K.A is. That said, we can use the haste spell to try to speed that up. Now I am sure there are different ways of turning certain defenses invisible to direct the P.E.K.K.A in a slightly quicker path through the base, and that's part of the skill and the fun of the leaderboard. But I just use this haste spell when I see the P.E.K.K.A has a long distance to travel. One thing I did find is that you will just have to get fortunate sometimes. On the pathing of troops, the P.E.K.K.A decided to go through the wall in this scenario, but let me know your fastest time. This will help you get your 3 stars. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.